Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are all having a good time. Today we will make hard-boiled eggs which are quick and easy to make and comes perfectly every time. Place the eggs in cooker and add water until the eggs are fully submerged. There is no specific measurement for anything that we are adding in this. You can easily eyeball the ingredients. Here I am adding about 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 to 3 teaspoons of any vinegar. Now we will wait for one whistle and until it gets depressurized completely. Transfer the eggs into ice cold water. Video is helpful. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.